Let's learn to read and spell Christmas words with phonics. Let's get started.
E.
Mary. I.
S.
Christmas. Merry Christmas.
E.
Eve. Christmas Eve.
E.
Tree. Christmas tree.
E.
Evergreen. Christmas trees are evergreen. Bells. Star. Born. Church. Gift. What gift do you wish to get this Christmas?
E.
Holly.
E.
Candy. Cane. Candy cane. I love candy cane. Carol. What's your favorite Christmas carol?
E.
Chimney.
E.
Feast. Holidays. North Pole. Do you know the North Pole is the home of Santa Claus?
Ornaments. E.
Greetings. Pine cone. Ear. Reindeer.
Santa Claus.
Snowman. Stockings.
E.
Wreath. Fireplace. Yuletide. Keep practicing. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. We will meet you in another video like this. Wish you all Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!